What's up, guys? Kid Martin 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Ripple here, currently down about almost 4% for the day, sitting at 67 cents. But we're looking at the Satoshi value down about 1.25%, sitting at 8,000 BTC. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 376 billion. Today's volume is 16 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 37.7. Bitcoin down about 2% for the day, folks. Not much has changed, just above 8,300. Ethereum down about 3.5 as well, sitting just below 700. Ripple down 3 or almost 4, sorry, sitting at 67 cents. Bitcoin Cash down 6. EOS down 7, sitting at 13. Who are the big winners today? Let's see. Factom down or up about 15. Cybermiles up 9. Skycoin up 6. Stratus up about 2.5, and Steam up about 2 as well. Big losers today: Bitcoin Private, Archain, Cortex, Huobi, and Nebulous looks like are the big losers. You folks came in for some Ripple. Market cap is sitting at 26.3 billion. Today's volume is 238 million. Circulating supply 39.1 billion. Total supply 99.9 billion. Max supply 100 billion. Major exchanges here, folks: Bitbank, Bithumb, OKEX, Binance, HIT, BTC, Bitfinex, Huobi, and Kraken and Bittrex looks like are the major exchanges. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. So it's currently about 11 p.m. here in California, folks. Bitcoin did get rejected off about 8,600. So here's what I'm expecting. Probably going to be, when I go to bed, going to be waking up to Bitcoin either at 8,000 or below 8,000, depending on, whether people decide to panic or not. But I am expecting a drop towards, 8,000 bare minimum. So just be on the lookout for that. Switching over to Ethereum here. Ethereum also doing the same thing. Lower high, lower high. Next target for Ethereum, however, is going to be about 575. Let me go ahead and mark that off. So I'm looking for daily support on Ethereum at 575 before we decide to update our analysis. As you can tell, we did break our uptrend, and we are starting a downtrend. But again, folks, wait for that daily confirmation off 575. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. Litecoin behaving the same way, folks. Formed a higher high, failed to beat that high, lower high, lower high. Next target for Litecoin is going to be about 120, currently sitting at 133. So wait for the drop towards about 120. Once we get that drop all the way down to 120, this could be the beginning of our uptrend. Although it'd be a very, very, I don't really like the way that trend line looks. Kind of very, very steep, I guess. Or not steep, very unsteep. But that's alright. I think it'll be a healthy uptrend. Momentum looks like it's starting to shift towards the upside, although price is looking bearish. So wait for that daily confirmation off 120. But you folks came here for some XRP to BTC technical analysis. We're looking at XRP to BTC on the daily. Bittrex is the broker. TradingView is the platform. Let's go ahead and zoom out really quick, kind of show you guys the bigger picture. This is what we're looking at on Ripple to BTC on the weekly. Sorry, this is a mess. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I don't think so. So what I'm actually thinking is going to happen, folks, is let me go ahead and draw my trend. Got a pretty aggressive downtrend, as you can see. So actually expecting this to continue. Momentum starting to shift towards the downside on the weekly. Go ahead and shift over to the daily, see what the daily is showing us. Daily giving us a better look of our aggressive downtrend. As you can tell, no signs of slowing down. I do believe we're going to break this support here at about 7,700 to 7,500 Satoshis. And our next target's actually going to be about 6,000 Satoshis. However, I don't even think that one's going to be likely to hold. What I'm actually expecting here from XRP to BTC is a drop all the way down to about 3,700 and then a bounce towards the upside. I know it looks kind of crazy, kind of dramatic, but I do believe the cryptocurrency market is going to have kind of a very, I don't want to say a panic sell, but I think it's going to be a very necessary, healthy correction that the market needs in order to take it to the next level. And I believe this could possibly be the last push before we decide to see cryptocurrencies take off. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. However, I will be waiting for that daily bounce off the 6,000 support. We could possibly bounce off this level and then continue towards the upside. but I'm leaning towards this drop down to about 3,500 Satoshis. However, where do I see this coin going in 2018? I think we could easily come back up to our all-time highs here, folks, at about 22, but I'm actually going to raise that up to about 23,000 Satoshis. And I'm expecting this to happen towards the end of 2018, possibly early 2019, depending on how long this bear market does last. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.